Howdy. Gonna have to excuse the headgear. It's a little cold. So today I am at Herdeena Park. Herdeena Park is, it's part of the old arches, really. Whenever they came in, like Ed Abbey talks about in Desert Solitaire, whenever they made the new road, Willow Springs Road used to go right through this area here. And that was the old entrance to Arches. Well, here we are 60, 70 years later, and hardly anyone ever comes to this spot. And I don't know why, because it's one of the most amazing places within the park. I had never been here until a couple of weeks ago. A friend and I came, and I was blown away. Big views. You can see the entire park, and you can get right up on top to, you're almost on the level of Elephant Butte. Elephant Butte is actually the highest elevation within Arches. So, beautiful area. Gonna do some streaming. Gonna try and do a video. And this is, by the time you're seeing this, it's gonna be 2018. So, yeah, good stuff. Really been psyched about this one and really looking forward to it. So, let's have some fun. This is Eye of the Whale Arch. Very aptly named. So at Eye of the Whale, the last time we were here, this was our exit point, and we came across a big canyon. So I think I'm gonna do a little bit differently today. I'm gonna try and get up top pretty quick. So gonna be doing a different route. This is the big canyon that's in the area. As you can see, this place is really big on views. Nobody here. So I am at the summit of Herdeena Park at this point. It is incredibly beautiful. So I'm gonna stop talking and show you some of this stuff. This is a canyon that I definitely want to make it down to. That would be an official arch. I don't know if it's coming up on the camera, but there's a lot of places I want to explore up here. But for that, I'm gonna leave the cameras at home. It's like I was saying, I definitely want to guide this area next year, but I've just got to keep myself safe. I'm starting to learn with the videos that I have to separate my hiking and the video making, just simply because when I'm exploring, I don't want to have to keep up with all that stuff. Exploring a little bit here though. This just goes to show you I'm right about the summit. Yeah, there's little ecosystems and these little pockets of soil all up here. Life finds a way. So now I'm about to go a different route down. I know that I can get up right here. So just got to be careful when you come down to spots like this. You don't want to keep dropping down and find yourself where you can't get back up. There would be nothing more embarrassing than have to come get rescued in arches for me. Into a dead end, it goes into a slot canyon. Don't know if I'd be able to get out that way, but I do know the canyon on the other side here. Got to do a lot more exploring in this area. Absolutely gorgeous. There is just so many little slot canyons going off in different directions. Gorgeous, gorgeous place. As long as I can get down the canyons, I don't mind a big hike to get out. It's kind of what I'm looking for, to be honest. But I want to, oh, what do we have here? This just might be what I was looking for. But this looks promising. That was just, I wouldn't call it a waste, but not familiar with where those slots come out, so I didn't want to hike down there. That's what I'm out here doing today, is exploring. Man, I could spend years out here, and guess what? I intend to. Well, I definitely got a route down as far as going to the summit. Now I just got to figure out how to link it to some other canyons. Lots of potential here, a whole lot of potential. I could definitely spend a lot of time here and intend to. Just so much to see. When I first started guiding the Fiery Furnace, it's the same kind of feeling I got about that place. Now that I know it pretty well and have been there so many times, it definitely sort of changed the way I feel about the place. I mean, it's made it more endearing for sure, but when you get into this kind of stuff, all you want to do is explore more spots. So this just holds the potential to do all of that. Such a treasure. So after a day here, I will definitely be back. I didn't explore the other side of the canyon, the Eye of the Whale side of the canyon too much. I was there a little bit last time. Definitely did what I intended to do today, which was to find a quick route up to the summit, which was surprisingly easy. Been there one other time before, and yeah, it's actually a lot easier than the last time I was here. So yeah, there's gonna be a Herdeena part 2. Maybe there'll be a little snow out for the next video.